Now I shall start exercise 14.4 question number 2. The question is, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, then weights were recorded as follows. Weight in kg and number of students. Less than 38, number of students is 0. Less than 40, it is 3. Less than 42, it is 5. Less than 44, it is 9. Less than 46, it is 14. Less than 48, it is 28. Less than 50, it is 32. And less than 52, 35. And draw a less than type OGAI for the given data and hence obtain the median through the graph and weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Now look, this is the chart given, table given, less than 38 and number of students. So these frequencies are cumulative frequency. So you have to draw the graph in this way. Look here. You look in x-axis and this is y-axis. In x-axis upper limits are taken and in y-axis cumulative frequency. So these are upper limit 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 this time. So I have written here 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52 in this way. And in x-axis 10 small divisions equal to 2 units. Look here, 38 to 42, 40 to 42, 2, 42 to 44, 2. So in x-axis 10 small divisions equal to 2 units. And in y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8 in this way numbers are taken. So in y-axis also 10 small divisions equal to 2 units have taken. Okay. Now look. First point is 38, 0, second is 40, 3, then 42, 5, 44, 9, 46, 14, 48, 28, 50, 32 and 52, 35. I have plotted the points on the graph. Now look here. This is the point 38, 0. This is the point 40, 3. It is 42, 5. It is 44, 9, it is 46, 14, 48, 28 and this is 50, 32 and this is 52, 35. Okay. Now this is the graph and through this graph we have to take out the median. So for median at first you look here. N means sum of the frequencies is 35. So n by 2 equal to 35 by 2. That is 17.5. So you find the, on y-axis you find the point 17.5. You look here. This is the point 17.5 because this is 14, this is 16 and between these this is 17 and between these 2 points this is the point 17.5. So from the 17.5 point you draw a line parallel to the x-axis. So straight line you draw and again you draw a line parallel to the y-axis. So this line you look here and the point intersect at which point on the x-axis is the median. So this point you look here 46.5. So through the graph median is 46.5. Okay. And now you have to verify this using the formula. For formula, you write here class interval which is less than 38, then 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50 and 50 to 52. And then which frequencies are given, they are cumulative frequency. So these are given. Now you take out frequency. So first is 0, then 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4. 35 minus 32, 3. So this is n sum of the frequencies. And n by 2 is 17.5. Now simple, you use the formula. This CF just greater than n by 2 means greater than 17.5. You look here, 28 is just greater than 17.5 means n by 2. So this is the median class 46 to 48. This is L and H equal to difference of this between 2. So 48 minus 46, 2. This is F and this is CF. Okay. So L equal to 46, H equal to 2, F equal to 14, CF equal to 14. Now apply this value in formula. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2. So 46 plus 3.5 by 14 into 2 and remove point using here 10. So 46 plus, after calculation it will be half only because 2 and 10 are divisible by 2. 2 5 are 10, then 7 2 are 14, 7 5 are 15, and in this way calculation comes 46 plus half. So 46 plus 0.5, which is 46.5. Now you look the verification. Through graph we have got the median is 46.5 and through the formula it is also 46.5. So it is verified. So we find that the median weight obtained from the graph is the same as the median weight obtained by using the formula. Okay.